So now we are in an environment where both Sendcloud and Tasklet have been installed, and not much is changing, but let's have a look at boxes. And actually here, nothing has changed, but if you now go to mobile package types, you'll see that once you click synchronize package types, everything that's called boxes within the Sendcloud extension will be imported here into the mobile package type area, as it's called within Tasklet Factory. And you see your boxes correctly registered with shipping provider SC NVN, Sendcloud NVision, and you'll find that code throughout for the configuration, as here I've configured these boxes to be used in combination with DHL, and for some I want to obtain a weight. I have a default, well, all the standard stuff you could do on your mobile package types, and that's it. You could now already start processing a test order. So let's take our customer here, create a new sales order. And yes, this customer has been processing way too many test orders already, but let's go for another Amsterdam lamp, just one, release it, create warehouse shipment. There we go. And we create a pick. It's all the standard stuff. We now take over and we go to our zebra here, going into the pick area, taking it from bin 1. Let's use my next tote number here. Here we go. We're taking 1. That's it. Everything standard. Nothing spectacular. Into the pack and ship area. Here's my warehouse shipment, my tote. And we already have a large box. This is the default, but you see here is all your mobile package types. If you wish to select something else than the large box, it still allows me to put in any actual weight value. In this case, we do so. And now we've posted. You see, nothing spectacular here, all standard. And if we would have divided the tasks up into 2 boxes, creating 2 license plates, that would all be fine as well. Once we post it, the Sendcloud extension will take over. And as we can see here, let's move away from our warehouse shipment. We now, well, everything has been done for us already because it's set to auto posting, auto printing. So you can see here, we directly, back on our sales order, we have a so-called Sendcloud label. You can see the label down there as well. This is what happened in the background. Based on our license plate here, it has created a parcel record. It has selected the right DHL drop-off shipment method for us. We've been creating this shipment on behalf of our standard NVision Commerce Solutions brand, and it has been posted, and the label just came off the printer automatically because we have it all configured to be running that way. And this is essentially how it works. You can just bolt the Sendcloud functionality as we saw it configured earlier. You can bolt that on to your Tasklet processes, or the other way around. Just continue doing your work, doing the picking, the pack and ship tasks on your handhelds. And if you configured automatic printing, even in a way that you're delivering the prints for each user onto the right label printer, people will really just be able to work at the packing table, working their way through the pack and ship process, and labels will literally be coming off the printer that's standing next to them. If they want, the shipment notes are coming off the other printer. You put the shipment note in the document, put the label on the box, and there you go, on to the next one. This is what we wanted to show as a quick demo on how Tasklet and Sendcloud can work together in your BC environment. If you want to know more, if you want to see perhaps a different kind of scenario or something else, just contact our sales department and we're happy to spin up a tailor-made demonstration for you.